Do I need to have a dashboard? Do I need to use my computer or my app? How the heck do you get a flash sale? That's an excellent question. Once you get that flash sale mechanics going, you want to I just keep running it. Just keep running the same flash sale over and over again and make it really about that product.
Welcome to Brands Meet Creators, the channel where we help content creators grow and succeed and connect with brands. On our channel, you will find interviews with top creators and TikTok Shop affiliates, and you will learn tips and tutorials on how to grow and succeed as a content creator. Whether you're a new creator or you've been doing this a long time and you just want to learn more, I'm excited to have you here, so let's dive into today's video.
All right, so let's go ahead and dive in. A couple things, y'all. We are almost done with the first month of Q4. I want to remind that because some of you are like, oh my gosh, this product isn't working, or oh my gosh, something I'm doing is not working. It's not working. It's not working. You're 3 weeks in. I know it feels like we've been there. Listen, Q4 feels more intense than any quarter out there, but I want you to keep on going. And actually, I just want to let you know too, next week, we're going to talk about assessing the products we've chosen for our Q4. From there, going on like, okay, what tweaks are we going to be making? Okay. Are any of y'all feeling that you're wondering, is this the product for me? I'm going to talk to you about that next week. But this week, I want to show you because I'm seeing a lot of questions about flash sales, and something that they're doing lately is allowing people to have their own flash sales, like exclusive flash sales to your room. One of the things you need to know, for those of you wondering, do I need to have a dashboard? Do I need to use my computer or my app, or I'm sorry, your tablet? I'm going to say yes. And more we're seeing reasons why there's more things that you can do. When you're live, you do need to have some type of computer set up, even if it's just you, so you're going to be able to see what's going on. So this is your live streamer dashboard. This is where you're really going to be able to control what you're doing while you're live. I have this open. I have my phone so I can see what people are seeing, my other phone within my other account open. And then I have the phone that I'm live streaming on. Desktop is not for you not for you streaming, but it's for you to be able to see what's going on. So just to recap on these little screens, right? Here's where you'd put your products in, right? I can add my product. Here's where when you're live, you'll be able to see yourself. And then over here on the right-hand side is where there's a bevy of things, including you can see your orders. When orders are being made, you'll be able to tap in here and see your orders, okay? And that's how you know, and you can see who's ordering what. But what I want to we talked about that last week, so you can check that recording. But what I talked to you about today is if you get a flash sale from a company and they say, I've loaded flash sales for you, you will have no idea where they are and actually have no way to access them unless you come in here to your live dashboard. So over here where you see it says products, you see where it says 0 out of 100. And then over here on the right, hold on, I'm doing the waiting room at the same time. You're going to see right here that it says there's a little plus sign where you typically add product. Do you see how below that it says add exclusive stock? That's because I've been whitelisted for more to be able to get secret stock or whatever you want to call that, flash sales. So if you tap on add exclusive stock, this is where I can see the flash sales that have been loaded for me. So I have flash sales on all these items and I'm able to load them. These usually typically it tells me it's available till 10/23. This company, they send me flash sales daily. So I go in here and you'll be able to add the flash sales. Now, the reason I'm showing this as well too is this. With a flash sale, I know you all have probably noticed that prices are very different. Everyone has a different price. It's a little bit aggravating when you go live. What I've been told, and I think is the best way to go about it, is first of all, understand if someone is a newer person to TikTok, their prices are going to be drastically different than someone who's been shopping at TikTok quite a lot. The newer people get lower, they are charged less. Okay, that's how it is. You're never really going to know what everyone sees because the algorithm decides people's pricing. But what you do want to do is go in with your account and see what the price is in your account or another account that you know that there's a lot of purchasing going on. That is what they're calling essentially like a good idea of what the price is in the world. Okay. You're never going to fully know. But if you have a flash sale, you want to look, and I do this every morning. I look and see what are the prices that they're offering me for my flash sale today. And based on that, I decide whether I'm going to run the flash sale or not. Just a little bit of strategy. Also, and I'll do a whole recording on flash sales and how they work because they're a little bit intricate, but I want to let you know. Then also when you create a batch, you're going to be able to come in here. I can create this batch of this item. I can choose the amount of stock that I want to put in of each item. So I just do let's say 5 across the board. So I'll apply 5 across the board to all these items. Then you'll click on next. You can decide how many per customer. I don't know why we'd ever want to stop a customer from buying. If they want to buy them all, let them buy them all. Then you can click on next. You can decide how long the countdown timer is, and then also the duration of the flash sale can go up to 20 minutes all the way down to 1 minute. And then you just make that decision. You click on save. And now it gives you an option here at the bottom to load that exclusive stock. If I add that exclusive stock, then it'll take me back here to this window. So it's a lot of steps. And then I'll have the flash sale loaded. Then when I'm live, you'll see a little start live flash sale. You have to do that on the desktop, and it'll start the flash sale during your live. How the heck do you get a flash sale? That's an excellent question.
If you are a TikTok Shop affiliate and you want to maximize your earnings, we want to send you our free TikTok Shop newsletter. In the newsletter, you will get the latest tips, trending hooks, insider updates, all delivered straight to your inbox. And you can even unlock bonus commission on the hottest trending products. All you have to do is sign up using the link below.
Yes, you can ask the companies for them. For example, like Life Pro, they give me flash sales, so I'm able to run them. They can load them. It gets kind of tricky, y'all, I'll be honest with you, with a lot of the items that, they're like, that are shipped, that are global shipping items, items that don't really have, if you try and contact the seller, there's no one to contact. It gets tricky with them. They have different like reps that you may get in touch with or may get in touch with you and offer you flash sales that way for those products. But other than that, yeah, you ask the company and they can add those flash sales in for you. Janelle, my strategy, yeah, I've been toying with that a lot this week and the last week with a lot of different ways. My suggestion is this, because once you start a flash sale, once it ends, it'll say end soon or coming soon, and people can't actually put it in their cart. So I think the best way to do a flash sale is to do it on an item. Today I did a flash sale. Golly, was it first? It ended up being 3 hours long because people kept coming in. But I did a flash sale on the cups. And what I did was I started the flash sale for 20 minutes, talked about it, got people ready and going for it. And then when it ended, I said, who wants to see the flash sale again? And they said, yes. And I kept running it. So I kept running the flash sale somewhere between 20 minutes. And towards the end, I'm like, okay, 6 more minutes for 3 hours straight. Because if they come in and you've probably seen it when you've been in someone's live and it says like starting soon, you can't actually click on it and purchase the item. So my suggestion is keep your flash sales super simple. Do them on one item. If you have other products in your cart, that's totally fine. But once you get that flash sale mechanics going, you want to just keep running it. Just keep running the same flash sale over and over again and make it really about that product. All right, y'all. I always say this when I'm on live. The reason people are coming into your room and you are spreading whatever great energy or whatever you've got going on with you, you're being very vulnerable. And I want you to know that that's so appreciative and it makes a difference. And it's something that cannot be done in a 15 second, 1 minute. I don't care how long it is video. It is different. And it's a part of you that you're sharing with people. And I appreciate you so much. And everyone appreciates you so much. So just know you're doing special work. Okay. You're not ahead. You're not behind. You're exactly where you're supposed to be. Bye, everybody.